So welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us today to recognize our Student Entertainment Board students for their tremendous program this academic year at the SEB Coug Packs. So I want to start by saying congratulations, but more importantly, thank you. Thank you for putting in the hard work and commitment to this program. It has had such an impact on our students this year, especially during the pandemic where our students were trying to navigate this new normal, right, of working from home. And we're all just so proud of the outstanding contributions that you have made.
This award recognizes an event coordinated by a student club, which has impacted the campus community and engaged students in a positive manner. Tell me how you came up with such a great idea for this virtual environment we're in.
We started with the idea on Coug Packs during the summer, of course, getting ready and planning for the fall semester. We were planning for just regular events, like what events would we want to do if we're on campus, because it was still possible at the time. Then further along the line, down through the summer, we had more details on what was happening, and we had to plan for stuff for events to be virtual. And we knew that we were not going to repeat every week of trivia or online all the time, because that can get bothersome and not as engaging. One of them had the idea of we should have kits sent to the students, and they're and so basically we were all assigned okay, what kits can we send to students? And so we had a whole board idea where all our events were virtual, and with the Coug Packs being sent to students' homes and a virtual online event. The name of the Coug Pack name, I made that name. I thought it should be catchy and everything along those lines. I thought it was really cool. Yeah, that's how it got started up.
I was really excited to get to be invited to be part of this conversation, because I did want to be able to personally just thank you for this huge contribution to our campus this fall, and just to congratulate you on a work well done. When I think about Coug Packs and what they symbolize, I think WSU Tri-Cities Cougs, we're doers, right? We like to be connected, and I think we meet challenges with creativity and follow through. And so when I think about this particular project, I'm like, that is us. That is the best of us. And so I want to thank you for exemplifying the best of us this year in a really tough year. So thank you very much.
It's totally worth it, and it's so much fun just seeing everyone's excitement after they get their Coug Pack. They share it on their social media, and it's just exciting to see that in the students.
Here are some things that your nominator said about you. There was something for every student. Students could choose 5 Coug Packs from the 16 that were offered throughout the academic year. This was student fees working at their best. Students getting something fun and engaging from the fees that they paid. SEB did great work brainstorming these ideas, ordering all the supplies, assembling the kits, shipping or personally delivering them to students, and putting together a virtual program to go with each one. It was a large effort that our students selflessly undertook.
We also have some of the student testimonials to go along with the comments from the nominators. So first one says, "It was cool painting with everyone else and following along with the art teacher. It was my first year here, and this activity gave me my first sense of community at WSU Tri-Cities." Another one, "I love these Coug Packs. They make students feel like we are still a part of the WSU Tri-Cities community at a really difficult time."
So I just wanted to thank you all again for sharing all of the hard work that you put into this program. And we hope that you're truly proud of this accomplishment, because it's definitely well earned, and you all put in so much work. So I'm really proud of you. Go Coug Packs.
Go Coug Packs.
Go Coug Packs.